Today's video we're dealing with measurement, metric unit overview. Okay, so specifically this video is about relating to the metric system. All right, I love the metric system. I think it makes a lot of sense mathematically, and so this is like, I don't know what a liter is. I don't know what a gram is. I can't relate to it. I don't understand it. So this is just a simple video. So meters, liters, and grams, those are the three units, okay, of measurement. Meters measure distance or length, right? How long is that piece of paper? Oh, it's like, 20 centimeters. Oh, okay. How many miles is it to the next town? No, it's 40 kilometers. Okay, meters measure distance and length. Liters is volume or capacity. So you might drink from a 3-liter soda bottle, right? Sometimes sodas are sold in 3 liters, 3-liter bottles. At the grocery store, liters is mostly liquid volume, okay, or capacity. And then gram, that's the weight of something. It might be a weight of a gram or a kilogram. Maybe it is a milligram if you're measuring the mass or the weight of medicine, okay? So kilo is the biggest, and then you get down to milli is the smallest, all right, that we're going to be dealing with. So kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, right? King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. You guys have all seen that, or we've talked about that in class. All right, so looking at meters, right, and the distance and length. 1 meter is roughly 1.09 yards. So a meter is greater than yards. Meter is longer than of what a yard is. All right. 1 centimeter, if you're looking at 1 centimeter, is roughly 3.39 inches. So 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. All right, so I think you should be able to see that. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. All right. 24 millimeters is equal to 1 inch. So if you think about millimeters, they're small. They're really small. 25.4 millimeters is 1 inch. So that's cool. That's things to relate to. If you ever see the Olympics, the track, the oval track that they run on, that's 400 meters. So that's roughly a quarter mile-ish, right? Quarter mile-ish. And it's a little bit off of a quarter mile, but there you go. 400 meters is 1 lap around the track. It's roughly 400 meters. And then 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer. Okay. So, our standard when we're talking about long distances, we measure in miles. Oh man, that's 300 miles. Well, the standard measurement in the metric system is a kilometer. Oh, crazy. So 1 kilometer is 0.62 miles. So 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. All right, and your family might run in a 5K on the weekend. Well, 5 kilometers is 3.1 miles. So if you're thinking, oh man, that's 100 miles. Whoa, okay, 100 miles. Well, let me switch that. 62 miles is 100 kilometers. So 62 miles is 100 kilometers. Another way to think about it. All right, so liters. Liters, right? We're talking about liquid and capacity and volume. 1 liter is like a bottle of water-ish. That's a big bottle of water. But 1 bottle of water. 1 liter is roughly 1.05 quarts. So a quart, there's 4 quarts in a gallon. 1 liter is roughly 1 quart. 1 liter is 2 pints, okay? 4 cups and some change. And then 1 liter is a quarter of a gallon. Right, so 1 gallon holds 3.78 liters. 3.7 liters. So it's pretty close to our customary system in the United States, but it's different. So check that out. It's kind of cool. Think about a milliliter as a 1 drop of water. Okay. So 1 milliliter is 1 drop of water. 1 kiloliter. A kiloliter, 1,000 liters, is the equivalent of 264 gallons, okay? And then think about buying oil. In the United States, we buy, the whole world buys oil in 50-gallon drums and a barrel of oil. Well, 50 gallons is going to be ish 190 liters. So, that's cool. That's cool. And then lastly, we'll look at weight, right? So, gram is the unit of measurement for weight or mass in the metric system. Gram. 1 gram is about the size of the weight, the mass of a paperclip, okay, ish. It's 2/1000ths of a pound. 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams, okay? Think about when you think about milligram, that's how doctors measure medicine, Oh, it's 600 milligrams of Tylenol, or 400 milligrams, or 200 milligrams of Tylenol. So, it's cool. And then if you have 1,000 grams, you have a kilogram, okay? Kilogram. So, like humans are measured in kilograms in the metric system. And so think about this. I weigh roughly about 185 pounds. Sitting a little heavy right now. 185 pounds. So I'm somewhere right in between here. I'm probably going to be about 85, 88 kilograms. Somewhere in there. So this helps you relate to 100 pounds, 45 kilograms, 150, 68, 200 pounds, 90 kilograms. It's just a quick overview. Hopefully this helps you better relate and better understand the metric system. Hope you guys have a great day and see you soon.